Hi everyone! So ayan, nandito na kami sa Lido Beach dito sa Sarasota, Florida. So ayan guys, nandito kami ng aking hubby. Kami ay mag-walking around at saka sightseeing. So bali, hindi kami mag-swimming guys. Kami ay mag-walking around at saka sightseeing only here sa Lido Beach. So anyway guys, Lido Beach guys is one of the nicest beach here in Sarasota, Florida. So ayan guys, marami din na tourist na pumupunta dito kasi maganda din kasi yung Lido Beach. Meron silang dito free parking at saka meron silang lifeguard at saka guys, meron silang restaurant dito, may mga pagkain din sila. So yung open ng food is 11 PM till 5 PM and then meron silang live music at saka DJ every Saturday, Sunday at saka Monday. Ano siya, every 1 to 4 PM naman siya. And then meron din silang dito guys, shower at saka food, restrooms at saka mga tables. So ayan guys, sana guys makapag-visit din kayo dito. So anyway guys, ayan, we are enjoying looking around Lido Beach with my husband. So ayan guys, almost na siya guys, sunset. So we are waiting for the sunset guys.